Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to draw a straight line in Photopea. So if you also want to draw a straight line in Photopea, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So in Photopea, while editing the photo, you'll be able to draw the straight line. In order to do that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Photopea. In order to do that, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. After that, click on the search bar and type in photopea.com. After that, Photopea will be opened. After that, what you have to do is open up the photo in which you want to add the straight line. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Now after that, you'll be able to edit this photo. Now over here at left, you'll be able to find several icons over here. What you have to do is find the icon for pen. Once you find that, all you have to do is click on it. Now after you select the pen option, you can see over here at top you'll be able to find several settings option for pen. At first you can see shape is selected in mine. If the shape option is not selected, all you have to do is click on it. After that, make sure to select the shape option. Now after that, you can also select the stroke color over here. The fill option is not useful for the line, so simply click on the option stroke. After that, you can see over here you'll be able to select the fill type and fill color. Now after that, you can also select the width of the line over here. Simply click on this option. After that, you can see over here you'll be able to select the width of the line. Now in order to draw the line in the photo, what you have to do is click on any point. Now after you click on this point, what you have to do is move the cursor to another point. Now simply click on the point till which you want to make the line. Now after that, you can see over here the line will be drawn. So like this, you'll be able to draw the line in Photopea. So that is how you draw a straight line in Photopea. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.